Best inexpensive electric toothbrush. Number 1. Rotowie's Inexpensive Electric Toothbrush. Superior cleaning power. The Sonic electric toothbrush delivers an impressive 41,000 high-frequency vibrations per minute, providing a deep and thorough clean that is 5 times more effective than low-frequency electric toothbrushes for both adults and kids. Clean up to 5x the plaque and surface stains for a healthier, brighter smile. Teeth whitening electric toothbrush. Advanced whitening technology in an electric toothbrush for adults helps whiten teeth with consistent use, leaving you with a more radiant smile. The built-in 2-minute timer and 30-second reminder function ensure a scientifically recommended brushing time. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Marlincare Inexpensive Electric Toothbrush. Marlincare electric toothbrush features a high-end lithium battery that provides up to 180 days of use on a 4-hour charge. Built to last, the Sonic toothbrush maintains optimal performance through years of repeated charging, outperforming similar products. With an ultra-long battery life, this Sonic electric toothbrush offers peace of mind on the go. No need to pack a charger or worry about running low on power. Just grab and go. Elegance that lasts. Marlincare rechargeable electric toothbrush boasts a cutting-edge pressure-sensitive button, seamlessly integrated into the handle for a sleek, minimalist look. The button design prevents accidental activation and resists wear and tear from frequent use. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Surrey Inexpensive Electric Toothbrush. Surrey's award-winning Sonic toothbrush is half the size of a standard electric toothbrush and delivers a professional sonic clean by vibrating over 33,000 times per minute. Recyclable plant-based head and bristles, Surrey's electric toothbrushes and accessories are designed with the planet in mind. With brush heads made using renewable cornstarch, and medium soft bristles made from castor oil, Surrey recycles these, for free. UV cleaning travel case. Surrey includes a slim travel case that uses UVC technology to clean your toothbrush head in just 1 minute. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Uniser Inexpensive Electric Toothbrush. Equipped with a super, powerful motor, the electric toothbrush can generate 40,000 vibrations per minute, effectively removing deep stains from teeth. Compared with traditional manual toothbrushes, using electric toothbrushes can whiten teeth and improve gum and oral health in 2 weeks. Electric toothbrush for adults supports 5 modes based on your specific needs: clean, massage, white, gum care, sensitive. Whitening mode vibrates 40,000 strokes per minute to break the stains. Cleaning mode goes deep into the interdental, removes the dirt hidden in the periodontal. While massage mode offers a gentle massage of gums. You can select several modes based on your preferences. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Oral-B Inexpensive Electric Toothbrush. Oral-B AA battery-powered toothbrush with replaceable brush heads reaches deep to remove plaque between teeth. Batteries included. Precision Clean brush head delivers a dentist-inspired tooth-by-tooth cleaning. Consistent battery performance. Also try your Oral-B Pro Health Clinical Battery Brush with other Oral-B replacement brush heads. Cross-action, sensitive gum care, floss action, 3D white. Oral-B is the #1 dentist-recommended toothbrush brand worldwide. Power up to a better clean with the Oral-B Pro Health Precision Clean battery-powered toothbrush. Your teeth and gums will feel pampered because you're removing more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush each time you brush. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.